Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to use tap sound in Poco phone. Friends, you want to use guys your tap sound in a Poco phone, so how to use and how to on and off Poco phone tap sound today friends we are going to talk about. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this tab settings of how to on guys. First of all, tap sounds in Poco mobile on. You can on from guys sound and vibration. First friends, you can see guys your ringtone setting. So friends, you want to set a ringtone, so you can set ringtone, sound setting, sound assistant, silent mode, silence median, silent mode, do not disturb guys you want to use. So friends, you can on guys for incoming calls and notification will be silence. After on do not disturb friends, you can see additional setting guys, click on additional setting. First guys, dial pad tone guys, when we will enter number in dial pad, so guys this tone work. So guys, we will use only tap sound, so means touch sound. So after on guys how to use friends, you can see when I will tap on my phone buttons and guess any icon, so I can use guys this tap sound setting. So we call it tap sound. So friends, you can see when I will tap on my any icon and when I will click on any phone setting, so I can use get the tap sound like that in my Poco phone device. So we call it tap sound. Hence you don't want to use guys. Now let's see how to turn off. So open your phone setting and we will off from search bar. Where we will search here guys phone tap sound setting is tap sound where we will search here tap sound search. As you can see tap sound additional setting, sound and vibration, click here. Direct guys you can off from here. After guys you can tap on your screen, you can tap on your phone buttons, any icon guys this sound will not work. So like that guys we can use tap sound setting and we can off. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.